shoots, he scores! Time again, starts the playoff goal scoring for the Wolves. Lashoff put it off the backboard, a wraparound try by Turgeon, stopped by Dance, rebound, Campbell scored. Fielded by Terry, back to the line, Hronek avoids Tynan, Camper cuts in, shoots, he missed, off the backboard, Pumple scores! And Grand Rapids has their first lead. McCagg pinned up by Campbell, and will be the first man on it. Centers for Turgeon in tight, they score! Turgeon's backhand bid climbs over Dansk. They keep the big defenseman glued to the end wall. McGinn to Glass, down to the point for White Cloud. Couldn't keep it in, and it's taken away by Elson. He'll go to the empty net.